Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an awesome travel vlog. First things first, you want to make sure you have a good quality camera. You don't need the most expensive one, but having a camera that captures clear and sharp footage is essential. If you're on a budget, a good smartphone with a high quality camera can work just as well. Next, you want to plan out your vlog before you start filming. Think about the places you want to visit, the activities you want to do, and the story you want to tell. Having a clear plan will make your vlog more engaging and interesting to watch. When you're filming, remember to capture a variety of shots. You want to include wide shots to show off the scenery, close-up shots to capture the details, and action shots to bring the viewer along on your adventure. Once you have all your footage, it's time to edit. You can use software like iMovie or Adobe Premiere to piece together your vlog. Add in some music, text, and transitions to make your vlog more dynamic and engaging. Lastly, don't forget to share your vlog with the world. Upload it to YouTube or other social media platforms. And don't be afraid to promote it to your friends and followers. So there you have it. That's how you make a travel vlog. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I can't wait to see the amazing vlogs you all create. Subscribe to our channel